This is another tale of inevitable tragedy, another story of mourning. A young germ stood alone at the sill of an open window. With tears blinding his vision, he looked back into the cozy, sparkling washroom that he once called home, where he was born, where he had all of his beautiful childhood memories, the home where his parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and siblings had all once lived, the place where they all died, today. He could feel everything fading away, his life, his memories. Sorrow and grief were all around him. He could feel it in his heart, in his nose.
Wait, his nose?
Yes, his nose. Mr. Clean is now available in 2 new exotic scents, Hawaiian Aloha and New Zealand Springs.